Welcome to the SmartLink AI training video series. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create QR code for your business profile in SmartLink AI. Just select the business profile option. Now you are in data entry section. Just choose your business type. Insert your business name, business description, website URL, phone, email, maps URL, your opening hours. Address. You can also add social profiles to your QR. Now you can upload your banner image. Favicon. Logo. You can enable or disable lead form if you want. Portfolio. You can also add code in advanced section if you want. You can design your QR according to your choice. By clicking on Next and your QR code is ready to use. Just download your QR code in your desired format. Thanks for watching video.